Everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation. Now, this is a morning cooking video. So, I'm going to show you how I made this one omelet for my son, and he requested it for today as well. Gotta have something good. When you want to start your morning out right? Now yesterday I made him a 3-egg omelet. The shell fell in. Oh well. Let's not be shellfish. Just go ahead and take that out of there. Because I washed my hands beforehand. Anyway, now back to this part. That's why I use that. Now, I have the sriracha out for after. Take a nice scoop of spinach artichoke dip. Put that in there. Don't need the whole freaking thing, you just need a little bit. Now normally you will put the cheese in on top of your omelet. Often you can't get it open that way. Your hands might be a little wet, just do that. I never like that. Yeah, you don't need too much cheese either. Because I'm using my smaller skillet for this. And we are going to have coffee. Got it from the grocery store yesterday. You know, the Death Wish. Sometimes I grab a flavored bag. It's on sale, but the Acme, your ass needs to get its act together. Because the prices don't match the total. Stop secretly taxing people's cold ass food. Okay, so you want that, and there's that. Okay, now I had preheated this. I already sprayed it down with the olive oil cooking spray. Even though these are non-stick, so they say. Sometimes, and I will take out a spatula. Sometimes it still sticks, so I still also have my little bowl of water. Just get that a little extra. Make sure you get all that lovely goodness out of there. Okay, so now this is gonna cook. I'm gonna turn that on to 4 on there. This is gonna cook, and then we'll be back quite literally at the table because of the particular coffee. Well, you know it's always Death Wish, but you'll see. Okay, so yesterday when we went to the grocery store, like I said, Death Wish has a variety. They even have canned coffee. This is the mocha. This is the vanilla. I have my glasses on when I'm doing this. Did I get 2 vanilla?
No, that's original.
Oh, okay. Yeah, original. So I do have the coffee creamer out here. And shake up the can because they need to be. And we're using the red cups for this. So we're going to try the original first. Woo! Oh, that smells good. We just need a little sippy sip. Ma'am, leave the kitty alone.
Tastes not bad. Good.
Okay. So Steve already had his sip. Oh, damn, that's actually pretty good.
Mm.
Brought the coffee creamer out because, well, I had him bring down because I didn't know how this would taste. Oh, that is good. Everybody ready for the vanilla? I know I am. So this was cooking video / Death Wish coffee taste testing. I will definitely be awake after the vanilla. Oh shit, that one's good too. Obviously it's sweeter because it's vanilla. Anyway, did you try it, Rob?
It's good. It's good.
And now for the mocha. This should be really good too. Just reaching across and pouring it. Okay, the mocha.
Good.
It's good. It's not my favorite out of the three. I think my favorite is the vanilla. It's good
My
though.
favorite.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, it's interesting when you find it in the grocery store because I thought, okay, maybe it'll just be online or on Amazon, you know, wherever they have it online. But no, and I'm glad because it's good. So if you want to start off your morning right, try the omelet recipe and then get you some Death Wish coffee because once you've had Death Wish, no other coffee matters. And try some flavors. Anyway, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. You never know what it might be. It's Tuesday. Could be a Taco Tuesday video.
Mm.